Emily, look who I have. Look at my buddy.
It's so exciting. It's so exciting to watch those little ones because the beauty is you can capture so many different moments within truly a few seconds. I think when we think of capturing child portraits and you think of, okay, I need to capture this picture with the child smiling and looking at the camera, instead, I think about the age and what children are doing. Toddlers ages 1 to 3 are not sitting hardly ever and staring and smiling. It's not what they do. If they're the type of child who really truly is exploring according to their own terms, that's what I want. You can create such beautiful art of little ones. Just be in the moment and play. Kids are exploratory by nature, and if you just have your camera in hand, being ready for every moment, not for the moment, but every moment, you'll be sure to capture it. I'm Tracy Sweeney. Check out my latest course, Pro Tips for Photographing Toddlers, on kelby1.com.